Hey everybody, welcome to the User Interactions course with Selenium WebDriver. My name is Nikolai and I'm going to be your instructor for the course. Thanks so much for being here. This is going to be an amazing course where you guys are going to learn everything about user interactions. We're going to start off by learning about why user interactions are so important, mainly because we want to use them to interact with things like mobile applications, doing things like drag and drop, maybe doing things on a tablet. That's why user interactions are awesome. So once we learn how to do the user interactions, we're going to create an actions class that's going to help us to do all of those actions like dragging and dropping, click and holding, double clicking, sending keys. We're even going to learn how to use drag and drop in HTML5, which has an advanced technique that you guys really need to know. Towards the end of the course, we're going to learn how to open up the developer toolbar, which has been one of the most important things that I've learned throughout my career, because it's going to allow us to track the network tab. And the network tab is going to reveal many problems in our application that exist as a web page actually loads. So once we do that, the course is going to be finished, and throughout the entire course, we're going to have a bunch of quizzes. Every section is going to have a quiz, because I do know you guys love quizzes. And then towards the end of the course, there's going to be a final exam that's really going to test all of your knowledge. Once you finish the course and finish the final exam, you're going to receive some treats. In that, you're going to get a completion certificate for the course, and you're going to get a certification to be able to put on your LinkedIn profile stating that you're certified in user interactions for Selenium WebDriver, which is really amazing because now you can show off all of your skills to your employers on your LinkedIn resume. So that's really about it. Let's go ahead and dive into the content. I'm really excited to teach you guys everything that I have to show you.